Hi everyone, Joana here. Welcome back to day 2 of the 30-day 100 rep challenge. Today we're doing 100 reps of crunches. No warm up, no cool down. This is the finisher of your workout or a mini challenge. It is up to you. Use this challenge as it suits you. So let's get started. 100 reps of crunches. And as I said yesterday, this is a challenge, so I'm gonna push myself and I'm gonna do 100 reps without a rest. Okay, let's do this. 100 reps of crunches. We've got this. Actually, I prefer crunches than squats. We did well on the squats. I'm pretty sure we'll crush the crunches as well. Okay, feet flat on the mat. Place your hands behind your head and let's go. With exhale, off we go. Twenty. 30. 40. 50. We're halfway there. 60. 70. I'm dying, but I'm never gonna give up. 80. 90. 100. Holy moly! Woo! Oh, that was amazing. It was way faster than yesterday and let's say easier. Okay, this was day 2, 100 crunches. Thank you so much for joining me. Don't forget, this is a challenge that will challenge you. Remember, this challenge is about consistency, it's about progress, it's about staying committed. So stay with me, stay focused, and you'll get there. Okay? See you tomorrow for day 3.